In this video, I'm going to show you how to post on LinkedIn. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up the LinkedIn application or the LinkedIn website, whether you're on a mobile device or on PC. And obviously, you want to make sure that you already have a LinkedIn account created. So in order to make a post, all you want to do is you want to go to the top right and select onto this plus button over here. So go ahead and press on that. And then from here, you guys can go ahead and write out your post. So I'm just going to go ahead and write out something like this. Obviously, you can go ahead and write more stuff as well. And you guys could even set it to connections only or anyone. So if you want this to be public, meaning that anyone can see this, then you can select on that, or connections only, where basically only people you have added on a LinkedIn can actually see it. And there is also an option for brand partnership as well. But there's many other things that you guys could do. You guys could also include images to make your post more interesting and engaging. There's also a plus button here where you can go ahead and add a poll, documents, services, jobs, media, events, and even celebrate. There's a lot of options that you guys could do, but basically go ahead and write out a thorough message, kind of just presenting your points in a clear and concise way. And once you are done, go ahead and press on this button towards the top right that says post. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.